actually had an opportunity to pick up my trailer finally after a month and a half. I dropped my trailer off at Colonial Airstream on November 23rd, and we were able to pick it up, and it was a good ride back from Colonial Airstream. They took care of the trailer, took care of our issue, and now back in the saddle, we have the truck and we actually have the trailer. Now we can get our travel plans back on the road. One thing I got to say about the F-250 is kind of like sitting on a couch, and the inside, the interior of the truck is outstanding. It's comfortable. And in the tow of the truck, pulling the trailer down the road, it was a great pull. I didn't have any issues with pulling the trailer whatsoever. It did a great job. So the F-250 having a larger truck is great. But I did have the Frontier. But as you know, the Frontier can't pull anything. The Nissan Frontier Pro-4X that I recently had, and you can see it here, it was a nice, great truck. But I had to switch out to a better vehicle that has more power so that I was able to pull the trailer. Now that I'm back and I have everything, I can actually start doing the things that I want to do. So here we go. Yeah, I got the truck. Truck works with the trailer. And one of the things I had not done is paired the screen that's inside the truck with the rear camera that is on the back of the Airstream. This is a new for the 2026 model year, is the rear camera. And I had not paired the actual trailer with the camera, so I had to make sure that it was done. Let's see if it turns around. There we go. Got it to turn around. So that little camera right there, that little camera is a nice camera. I contacted the Airstream service office or phone number, and I contacted the Airstream actual service desk, and they actually talked me through how to do it, and they sent out some instruction. It was pretty easy based on the instructions. As soon as I hooked the 7-pin into the truck, turned on the lights, the actual thing actually clicked on, and it worked without any problems. And the thing about that, I didn't find any videos on how to do it. So one of the videos that I might have in the future is to figure out how to do it. Now, where I have my trailer park is one of the benefits of this is living up in the Northeast. You do not have places that are readily available to have covered parking for your trailer. But what I do have is here at since I'm retired military base, I was able to get a place for my trailer. It's a nominal cost on a monthly basis, but I was able to get that to take care of it. I have a good parking space for the trailer. Not too bad. Nice space. One of the things that I'm going to do, that I have to do also, and I guess if you can see this, is these little locks right here. And these little locks right here that are on this trailer. One of the things that I have to do is make sure that these locks are replaced. And I think I purchased 8 of them from RVer, which have a different key than the 001 key. The 001 key is like a standard key that most RVs have. And that is very unsecure, even though I'm on a military base and it's somewhat secure, better than being parked off. This place has cameras everywhere, but everyone has that key, that 001 key. And I'm going to get that replaced with my own personal key. And I think there's 8 around this trailer, 8 places where that lock has to be replaced. And that's going to be taken care of. But again, the main thing is I'm back. I actually have my trailer and I have my truck, my F-250, and we can now get on the road. And before I take off, I just want to make sure that everything is scanned. The doors are not locked. Got to go ahead and get my key and lock up in the store. But one of the things I haven't done in a while, I haven't actually posted anything in a while since it is wintertime and this is the traveling off season. Would have loved to been down in Florida with many of the people that I've run across with RVs down in Florida at the Florida RV show. But I wasn't able to go because, again, I was looking for a truck and I just got my trailer. But now that we are complete, we can actually get back on the road. It was nice talking to you. If I said anything that is of benefit to you, please take the time to like and subscribe. This is Mitch. I'll see you on the road.